What's up people, today I'm going to show you how you can permanently disable Windows Update on Windows 10 because a lot of people were complaining that there is no option to disable it in Windows Update and Security. So to do it, you click on search box and type in services. Then right click on services and click on run as administrator. Alright, then in this list find Windows Update. There you go, that's Windows Update. Just double click it and firstly click on stop. Now that will stop Windows Update for this session. To disable it permanently, go to Startup Type, click on that and click on Disabled. Then hit Apply and hit OK. That's it. Now Windows Update is permanently disabled. If you ever want to enable it again, just double click on this again and click on Startup Type to Automatic Delayed Start and hit Apply and hit OK. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that is how you permanently disable Windows Update on Windows 10. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching and have a great day.